Join us for a rainy day in Little Current. No boating miles today, but follow along to see the adventures we find. Good morning from Little Current. Today is going to be rainy all day, so we figured that we could stay here. Not going to go anywhere today. We would stay here and take care of some laundry and explore the town. Alrighty, we're going to go up and do some laundry right away just so we can get some laundry machines before they get all taken. Luckily, they have a laundromat right up the street from the marina because the marina does not have any washing machines or dryers. So, yeah, that's where we're headed right now.
One hour later.
During our trip to Manitoulin Island, we had the incredible chance to visit a true local legend, Roy Eaton. We've heard so much about him over the years, and we knew we had to stop in and see his famous 9 o'clock a.m. broadcast for ourselves. Roy had just recently moved from the Anchor Inn's basement into the Manitoulin Municipal Building in Little Current, so we decided to see if we could track him down. We walked right into the building, not totally sure where to go, and wandered through a series of long hallways, until finally we found his room. And there he was, right in the middle of doing exactly what he's known for. It was an unforgettable experience to see the man behind the voice that so many visitors and boaters count on every summer.
Good morning, boaters. It's 9 a.m. on Sunday, July the 6th. My name is Roy Eaton, and I broadcast each morning during July and August on VHF Channel 71. This year from the second floor of the Manitoulin Municipal Building. Boaters listening in on the VHF radios are joined by boaters out of range of the transmission, watching and checking in via the internet program Zoom. First, is there any emergency, medical, or priority traffic? And now the weather report for Manitoulin and the North Channel. We're going to have intermittent showers throughout the day, and there is a risk of a thunderstorm. Expect a high of 24 or 75 Fahrenheit. And the humidex reading is going to make it feel like 29 or 85 Fahrenheit. The UV index 4 or moderate. On Monday, we'll see a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 26 or 79 Fahrenheit. On Tuesday, it's predicted to be a beautiful sunny day Tuesday. On Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud with 30% chance of showers. The marine weather forecast issued by Environment Canada for the North Channel. Wind southwest 10 knots will increase to northeast 15 near noon hour today, and then diminish to northeast 10 on Monday morning. The wind will become light near noon on Monday, and then becoming west 10 in the evening. And on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the winds are predicted to be light. And what boat are you on?
We're on the North Star.
The North Star.
From Holland, Michigan.
From Holland, Michigan. Here in the broadcast room is North Star and Diadema. Thank you, Diadema. She's taking the notes for me today, and I truly appreciate that.
This is the Turner's Museum and Gift Shop, right here in Little Current. Upstairs, Turner's has a local art gallery in addition to a small room dedicated to the Evinrude Museum. Inside, you'll find photos and stories about the 105-foot vessel once owned by Mr. Evinrude himself, a ship he piloted through the quiet, scenic waters of Bay Fen. Downstairs, the shop is filled with island-inspired art and Canadian-made souvenirs, making it a quick but meaningful spot for anyone visiting Manitoulin Island. Next up, we stopped at the Anchor Inn Restaurant, a cozy local spot right here in Little Current.
We all set with the menus or a few more minutes?
Can I get a kid's order of poutine, please?
Kids poutine? Awesome.
We ordered some wonderful whitefish, caught fresh from the North Channel, and of course, we had to try the Canadian poutine while we were here. Definitely a must-try when visiting Manitoulin Island. As we traveled through the North Channel, it was easy to see why the group of 7 were so inspired by this place. From the pink granite islands to the endless northern waters, the same rugged beauty they painted is still alive all around us today. It's the very landscape captured in the print we have hanging on our wall back home, a reminder of this wild stretch of Canada brought to life in color. Out here, every view feels like stepping into one of their canvases, and it's impossible not to feel inspired as you explore it. Good night from Little Current. We had a great day today. It was raining all day like expected, so we were able to get laundry done. Did a little bit of provisioning with some food. So yeah, it was a great day today, so thank you guys very much for watching. Drop an anchor on that like button, share, subscribe, and thank you guys very much for watching. We're looking forward to for the rain to stop overnight, and we're going to head out to another anchorage tomorrow.